For years, my oak tree stood tall. It wasn't just wood and leaves, it was a legacy, a part of my land, a piece of my heart. One morning, the peace was broken. The roar of chainsaws shattered the silence. I ran out, demanding answers, but the HOA president, clipboard in hand, only smirked, telling me they didn't need my permission. And then the unthinkable. My oak, my pride, came crashing down. Gone in minutes. That night, I didn't sleep. I sat in my garage, staring at blueprints, tools, and wires. They took something from me. Now I take everything from them. Under the cover of darkness, I moved silently. My toolbox was heavy, but my heart was heavier. Behind their office, hidden in plain sight, was the source of their control, their power. With one swift cut, sparks flew, and their entire empire went dark. Chaos erupted. Flashlights flickered, alarms screamed, and the mighty HOA, suddenly powerless, looked like frightened children. From my porch, I watched in silence. Their world, once full of arrogance, now swallowed by darkness. My oak was gone, but so was their power.